Hello, in this video I'm sharing with you step-by-step guide how to go live on TikTok without showing your face on camera. Now as we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now log into the TikTok account you would like to go live with. Then make sure that you press on the plus sign where I post your videos from on TikTok. Then make sure that you press on live. After that, make sure that you press on effects. Now press on green screen. After pressing on green screen, TikTok will bring you more effects. Make sure that you press on that effect and then make sure that you choose your photo right there up. You will see your photo. If there is no, press on the plus sign to go to your gallery and then upload a photo and it will look like that. Then press on go live. That's how you can go live on TikTok using a picture, not your face on camera, but make sure that you turn on the back camera, not the front camera. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.